Hello from Ordasoft team. Today I will show you how to install Joomla social sharing and comments module. First we go to Joomla admin area and extension manager. And we need to choose our package file. Installing module was successful. Our Joomla social comments and sharing module was installed. Let's check. Go to extension manager and module manager, and we see our Joomla social comments and sharing module. It is pro version, it has a lot of awesome features, and now our main task is publish it on front end. First we make publish, select position, for example position number 2, module options, also we must check menu. We need only one menu, and for example we choose horizontal default, let save, and go to front end. Let's check. We must open our menu and we see our Joomla social sharing and share module on front end. That's all. See you next time.